Bird's eye view, guys. I'm on top of the roof looking down. So I got a bird's eye view. Somebody's bathing down there. Let's zoom in. You don't see a view like this every day, guys. Unless I had a drone or something, but they'd probably be scared of the noise. So yeah, so I'm on the roof here, actually doing a little maintenance, because after the last video we did, we got about 2.5 inches of rain. It was just pouring here all night and all morning. Like not today, the day before today that I'm filming this. And a little bit of water dripped in where the chimney is coming in, and that's never happened before. So I'm up on the roof here and I'm doing some caulking. I thought I might as well get a bird's eye view. So yeah, they're enjoying the aviary as usual. And I'll wait here, maybe get some more bathing action here in a minute. Well, pretty soon maybe. So yeah, I'm on the roof. Look at the view, guys. There's the garden and the forest. Oh, here's some bathing again. Let's zoom in. Took off. I thought I'd show you something else while I'm waiting for them to go in the water, and they go in the water when I showed you that clip of the garden and forest. Yeah, look at this view. There's that tree. I still didn't deal with that tree that cracked. Oh, here's some more bathing. Oh, you caught the tail end of it. They've seen me up here before cleaning the chimney and stuff. I haven't cleaned the chimney yet. I'm not doing that today, but you can see on the other channel, I'll put the link below to the farm channel. You can see when I have cleaned the chimney in the past. Not that you care, this is a bird video, right? Bird's eye view. You can see my shadow there. That's me there. Sun's coming out, so you can see the big bird on the roof. Oh, and there's a pup. Can you see the pup, guys? Again, I want to thank you guys for leaving your nice comments. There's lots of you on here leaving nice, kind comments. Even when the video isn't that good, you're still saying you enjoyed it and everything, because you like birds, right? Or you love birds. And you don't mind me talking about them, so you enjoy most of our videos. And this is real as it gets. There's no script or anything. No camera crew. I'm just telling you things that I know from living with these birds. They live with us and we live with them. They're listening to the sounds in the forest. You can hear frogs. I don't know if you can pick that up in the camera, but it's very peaceful and beautiful up here. You can hear birds in the forest singing away. You can hear some bathing under the tarp though. I think that's Peach in his corner. Peach! Peach! Yeah, everybody's loving life up here. So guys, I'll let you go for now. Give a big thumbs up if you like the bird's eye view, because I sure am enjoying the view up here. So please subscribe if you're new here. Ask any questions, I'll try to answer. Don't know everything, but some things we know, right, after all these years. So thank you, and see you in the next one.